Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the world of beauty products with honesty, expertise, and a touch of fun. Today, we're getting up close with the Too Faced Ribbon Wrap Lash Mascara, a black, extreme-length tubing mascara designed to deliver lift, separation, and long-lasting wear without smudging, flaking, or clumping. It promises up to 24 hours of wear, and it comes in a travel-friendly size, plus it's cruelty-free, which is always a win. From the moment I first opened it, I noticed the unique formula that feels lightweight, yet highly pigmented. The wand is designed to wrap each lash individually, which is key to achieving that lifted, fanned-out look without layering on multiple coats. Tubing mascaras are formulated to form tiny tubes around each lash, rather than just coating them with pigment. This is great for preventing smudges and flakes, and it makes removal surprisingly easy. You just slide them off with warm water, which is a huge plus if you have sensitive eyes. Using it in my routine, I found it glides smoothly and separates the lashes beautifully. The lengthening effect is noticeable after a single coat, and adding a second coat builds dramatic volume without any clumps. I wore it through a full day of errands and a workout, and it stayed put with no smudging, flaking, or raccoon eyes. Truly impressive for a mascara claiming 24-hour wear. One thing to keep in mind is that tubing formulas can feel slightly firmer than traditional mascaras on the lashes, so if you're used to creamy mascaras, it might take a tiny adjustment period. What I loved is how clean and precise the wand application is. It really lifts the lashes, making eyes appear more open and awake. On the flip side, it's not as volumizing as some mascaras designed purely for drama. So if you're chasing a mega bold lash effect, you might need to pair it with a volumizing primer or another formula. The travel size packaging is convenient, perfect for tossing in your bag for touch-ups or travel, and the cruelty-free claim aligns beautifully with ethical beauty standards. Considering value, this mascara is positioned at a mid to high range, which I think is justified by the innovative tubing formula, longevity, and quality of wear. When compared to other tubing mascaras like Lancome's Definisals or Benefit's They're Real, lengthening Too Faced Ribbon Wrap Lash holds its own, particularly in ease of removal and lash separation. It doesn't clump, and it delivers a refined, lifted lash look that feels fresh and natural. The build quality is solid. The wand, tube, and cap feel sturdy, and the mascara formula maintains consistency throughout its use. I haven't had to interact with customer support, but Too Faced has a solid reputation for handling inquiries efficiently, so that's reassuring for potential buyers. If you're looking for slightly more budget-friendly alternatives that still deliver a tubing experience, Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High or Physicians Formula Lash Boosting Mascara offer good results at a lower price point, though they may not have the exact lift and longevity of this Too Faced formula. Overall, the Too Faced Ribbon Wrap Lash Mascara impresses with its clean lift, length, and separation. It's ideal for those seeking a long-wear mascara that doesn't smudge or flake and who appreciate a cruelty-free, travel-ready product. If you want drama without clumps or raccoon eyes, this mascara definitely fits the bill. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget, the link to grab this mascara is in the description box below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. I love hearing about your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.